This is how you replace a fridge or freezer seal and order a discounted replacement online. Grab a top corner of the old seal and ease it away. It simply pulls out of the plastic channel without damage, so you can refit it if needed. Always start at a corner. The seal should come off with very little force. Once the seal is off, inspect the channel. If it's grimy, wipe it with warm, soapy water to remove residue or food particles. A clean channel ensures the new seal clips in firmly. Take the new seal and locate the dart on its back. Align each corner with the channel and press to clip them in. Then work along the edges until the entire seal snaps into place. Double check that every section is fully seated. Loose spots will weaken the door seal. See tiny gaps? Warm the area with a hairdryer and the seal will swell slightly, closing the space for a perfect fit. This method suits most modern fridges. Ordering is easy. First, find your fridge's model number, usually on the inner wall or near the kick plate on many Fisher & Paykel units. Enter that number in the search bar on our website, select the correct seal kit, and add it to your cart. Apply any coupons, then proceed to checkout. Fill in shipping details, email, and phone number. Choose a delivery option. Add notes if needed, select payment, and click Place Order. A thank you page confirms everything and will email your tracking number as soon as it ships. Questions? Our expert team is ready to help. And if you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe for more handy videos.